Hi everyone, this is Heather Barnhart with another Tip Tuesday. I've been asked frequently about chat capture, and this is one of the coolest features that I think Cellebrite UFED offers in regards to Android devices. So here, I just went into my device, and you can see all the typical extractions you would do if you're outside of SmartFlow. But here you can see chat capture. So I'm going to select chat capture, and I'm going to say where I want to save it, and I'm just going to save it on my desktop for now. And I'm going to choose next. And here it's going to tell you a little bit about chat capture and what you're going to do. So you have to make sure you're fully connected to your device and that you have all of these settings enabled, and then select continue. Please note you are accessing a live conversation, so once the chat is entered, anything that's unread will be marked red. So this is super important. Here you will see specific apps that are identified as supported. What I want to highlight to you is generic, because if you go into generic, any screen that you see on your device will be shown in the chat capture. So here, if I choose capture, I'm actually in the settings and developer options. If you came across an Android device where build model was already tapped 7 times and developer options were selected, that would be fascinating for your investigation. At any point, you can choose stop capturing. At that point, I can then go into any application I want, whether it's listed as supported or not, and I can capture that screen. So I'm going to do an additional capture. Generic, next, and I'm choosing capture. And you're going to see Facebook. So even if Facebook isn't supported, you will see that it's capturing that applications. Stay tuned for part 2 of chat capture.
Want more? Subscribe.